Hello again, this is Dan Reel with Fraudclosure 101, and today we're going to talk about requests to revise. This is one of the lesser known, lesser used pleadings that are responsive to a complaint, but simply put, it has its practical applications depending on your particular circumstance. And again, this isn't legal advice, it's just for educational, informational purposes. Might be something you want to run across your attorney depending on your situation. So we basically have four uses for a request to revise. One, you need a more definite statement on, the facts or the allegations or the plaintiff's cause of action, because sometimes we're all human, we all make mistakes. You might get served with this document. Honestly, you don't understand it. You need more information, and you really need more facts to know exactly what the plaintiff is actually talking about. To appropriate corrections and deletions. For example, let's just say they make what's called a Scrivener's error. A Scrivener's error is something like you put an A, like a small a instead of a capital A. You put a number out of place. There's a comma where it shouldn't be. Stuff like that. The third use, the complaint has repetitive material. You're basically just looking to delete it so you can move on with the action and go forward. And the fourth use is if you have irrelevant material, like for example, you've got an action on a contract that says Bob is the plaintiff, Tim is the defendant. They signed this contract, this occurred, and then one paragraph in there says Bob is absolutely fugly. And that has nothing to do with the action or the facts or the circumstances whatsoever. You would use a request to revise to ask that Bob delete that. Now, why Bob would write that he's fugly, I don't know. People have honestly done stranger things in this business, so always check your practice book, and remember, if you look at 10-7 and you don't file a request to revise, you waive your right to actually file one. The way this works is the responding party, and we're talking about the complaint, would be the defendant. They would file a request to revise. The plaintiff would have 30 days to object, and if they don't object after 30 days, then basically the request is deemed admitted or granted by the judicial authority. Practice Book 10-35 out of the 2015 Connecticut Practice Book governs request to revise. Please see also 10-36 and 10-37. I hope this has been helpful. Questions, comments, check us out. Check out our other videos. And, let us know how we're doing. Headlinecopy@gmail.com. And hope you have a good day, and best of luck.